Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I hope y'all are doing good. Oh my goodness, it smells good. That candle, where's the lid? And I'll tell you what it is. This is made by Capri Blue and it's Pumpkin Dolce. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Capri Blue. I think I also have a Capri Blue that's blue jeans and it smells good too. This smells like fall pumpkin dolce, y'all. And look how pretty with the little kind of copper and gold glitter on that frosted glass. That's so pretty, isn't it pretty? I'm glad you're enjoying it. How's everybody doing? That is some good coffee right there. It's pumpkin spice. I'm in the mood for fall, y'all. Well, I just thought I would share with you another quick haul that came in that I had ordered a while back, and it just came in. Y'all know that I'm a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury. And I have, a lot of the, where is it? Do I have it handy? Here's my little pouch. Anyway, it's got a lot of her face palettes. And remember my favorite one, which I hate the name of it, but it's Seductive Beauty. But it is a wonderful face palette. You don't need anything but that palette. It's got 3 shades for the eye. It's got a contour. It's got a blush. And it's got a highlight. So, I mean, it's perfect. I also do like this foundation. I haven't tried all of her foundations, but I like the Light Wonder Youth Boosting Perfect Skin Foundation. And I use color number 4, Fair. And, again, look at her packaging. Her packaging is second to none. Well, she doesn't disappoint. I will have to show you this. This is her lipsticks. Isn't that just pretty? That kind of rose gold or copper ribbing. Something like from the 20s, which I feel like is what she kind of, that is her packaging style. That kind of, that little deco diamond that she has there. That's very art deco, and this is kind of a 20s look. And this kind of rose gold or copper, however you want to look at, and burgundy or Bordeaux, however you want to look at that, is her color palette. Well, she just came out with a new mascara, and I fell in love with it. It is called Push Up Lashes, and it says 93% lift up. Where's the English? French? Italian? What's that? There's the English. Where is it? There it is. 93% mascara. None of it's in English. Magnifique et amplifié. Volumise et les décils and allongé. Allongé. Visible. Okay. 24-hour. If I would just look on the front, it was in English. 24-hour lift effect. Push-up lashes. Okay, here it is. 23% gives lashes a voluminous definition. 26% agree that lashes look magnified and amplified, and 26% agree that the mascara makes their lashes look lengthened. And it's smudge and humidity proof. What does that mean? It's waterproof, y'all. That's all that really means. Use flat-sided, the dual-sided wand to coat and lift. Comb through and lift the magic bristles from root to tip for an instant push-up effect. And does it say how to remove it? On the side it says a miracle mascara that gives lashes long-lasting volume length and weightless 24-hour effect. Basically that just means it's waterproof. That's too funny. I don't see anywhere where it tells you how to take it off, but it's got keratin, hydrolyzed keratin. She does pay attention. She pays a lot of attention to packaging, obviously, and also what's in it. So I'll give her that. Here's the mascara, Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. And looky there at that lid. Like that packaging. Just like her lipstick. Very, very pretty. So let's look at it inside. It's kind of a little fat wand. Or tube, whatever you want to call it. Oh, so it's got little teeth. I like that. Y'all know I like that because as long as this is real voluminous and thick, that when you push that through your lashes, it'll like build up a lot on it. But when you have the little teeth like that, it combs it through. So I can't wait to try that. Very excited about that. And again, I love the packaging. Second to none. Charlotte Tilbury is the best at packaging. Alright, then second, I got the luxury palette called Walk of No Shame. It used to be called Walk of Shame, and supposedly I guess she didn't like that, and she didn't want to shame women, so she changed it to Walk of No Shame. And to me, it looks almost like a Pillow Talk color palette. She always has 4 colors, and she, especially if you go online to her website, she has all kind of tutorials, y'all. So it's this beautiful burgundy packaging with the rose gold. It's always got a good wide mirror with, in the corner is always a little star. That's her signature. And look at these wonderful colors. So it's like a champagne. It's like a little champagne color. And then almost like a rosy rust. It's more rust than it is rosy. I'm a little disappointed because I don't like to wear rust. I don't feel like that color looks good on me, that coppery rust color. But we'll try it. And then this is usually like a sparkle that you put on top of something because it's more sheer. But that's more of a gold, as you can see. And then, of course, last but not least, this really pretty, it's supposed to be very rosy, but to me, this has a lot of orange in it. So both the colors have orange in it. This is like the color palette that everybody wants. It's this rusty terracotta, orange-based browns and pinks. And it's just not a good color for everybody like me. It's too warm. I hope I'm going to like this. Let's just see how it looks on my skin. Okay, so can y'all even see that? Can y'all see those colors? They're very orange on my very blue toned skin. I don't know if this is going to do well, but I'll try it. I'm actually very disappointed. These are very expensive. They're like almost $70. I may just send it back. I don't know. That did not look that orange, but we'll see how does it look on. I'll keep it. All right, and then I also got 2 samples. I'm a big fan of her Charlotte Magic Cream moisturizer. It's great. It's what gives me this kind of glowing effect underneath my makeup. And so she's got a new one called Charlotte's Magic Cream Light. It's a lightweight moisturizer. This is very kind of oily based, and so when you put something on top, it's super, super shiny. Maybe this is just a little bit less of that. We'll see. Oh, it's a good size. That's a good size sample. You can do that for a couple of days. And then also her Magic Serum. It's an infused serum for younger looking skin. And she does do a lot of science and developing things. And she says you massage a few drops into your clean skin even before you put on your moisturizer. And it's just a good serum. And that's always true, by the way. You put your serum on first and then your moisturizer on top of that. And neither one of them actually change your skin. Your skin's changed from the inside, but it does help protect and moisturize from the outside from the pollutants in the air. So, but the best thing you can do is drink a lot of water, and you know, that's the best thing you can do is have drink water to moisturize yourself from the inside. And but it is helpful to have a barrier to wind and to pollution by having a moisturizer on. And you can tell the difference, like when you put, look, just if you just put a little bit on your skin, like there's my skin, it's very dry right there, right? And so when I put this on, first of all, look how shiny my hand gets. And so if you put that on your face before you put your foundation on, it definitely gives you a more youthful look. Why? Because you look moist. You don't look dried out and old like a little old lady. It smells like Noxema. Do y'all remember Noxema? That's still around. That takes your makeup off, which is not what this is for. But yeah, look at the difference in my 2 hands. How shiny that hand is, and look at how blue my veins are in this hand. It's always been true on my right hand, y'all. What am I going to do with this? I shouldn't waste this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. My throat? I don't know. I'll just rub it on up my arm. How about that? I don't want to waste it. It's good stuff. And it's expensive stuff. So anyway, I'm very excited to try her new mascara, the Push-Up Lashes, and Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. And I will be happy to try this out. I hope it works on my skin tone. I am wearing, you know, right now, I am wearing this Milani Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream, and it's in Over Dramatic 13. Got from the drugstore, and that is what I have on. And as you can see, it tends to go rust anytime that I put on this kind of a tone. It's kind of like a rose penny. It just always goes rust. So I'm fixing to go make dinner, and I was thinking about filming it. What do y'all think? You want me to do that? A couple of you have said you would like me to do more meal or nutrition-oriented things, so why don't I do that? Why don't I do that? Let me go get my camera and a light or two and take them downstairs, and I'll just film getting ready with my Chick-fil-A meal kit. So easy, so delicious. Okay, that's what I'll do next. I love you guys, and I've got a few tutorials that are coming up from the 2 hauls from Walgreens and the Charlotte Tilbury shipment that I just got. So it'll be fun. Love you guys. Bye.